This Faceless Kids nursery rhyme video about airport safety.
Mommy, daddy, baby too. At the airport, it's true.
It was posted about 2 months ago and it already has racked up over 2 million views. Now the channel that posted this video has only been on YouTube for about 2 years, but it already has over 10 million subscribers. And according to vidIQ, it's pulling in about $12,000 on the low side, and this is per day. Here's another example of a Faceless Kids song that teaches children how to wash their hands.
When it's time to eat, I wash my hands.
And it has surpassed 28 million views. And as per vidIQ, this channel is making about $22,000 on a daily basis, and this is on the lower end. What's fascinating though is that many of these creators, they aren't singers, they aren't animators, nor are they expert editors. They're simply using AI to handle all of this. But here's what's amazing. You can now do it as well. For the first time, you can actually generate publish-ready kids songs and animated videos or nursery rhymes, and these will be complete with lyrics, music, visuals, and subtitles from just one single text prompt. In this video, you're also gonna learn the exact nursery rhyme titles that give you an edge in this particular niche because it's very competitive. I'm also gonna share with you a secret strategy that's gonna allow you to stand out without competing head-to-head with giant channels on YouTube that are for kids. I'm also gonna take a step-by-step approach and show you exactly how to create a faceless kids song video or a nursery rhyme using, hear this, just one tool, something that typically takes multiple tools and a lot of time to do. This, rock stars, could actually be your entry point to YouTube automation because you don't need to appear on camera and it's completely beginner friendly.
Rockstar Academy, we change the game. Flip your work and stay the same.
Welcome back to the Rockstar Academy. We have quite a bit to cover and I'm extremely excited, so let's race right into it. I'm just glad you're here for all of what I'm about to share. Now, just to provide context, kids content is said to attract the most views on YouTube worldwide. Parents out there are always searching for not just fun, but safe and educational videos to keep their little ones engaged. And the thing is, that demand, it never goes away. Every new generation of kids, they need the same kind of content, just refreshed and updated. And that, rock stars, is exactly what makes kids songs one of the rare niches where content stays evergreen for years, because these kids are gonna watch the same videos over and over again. A video that you upload today could still be pulling in views years from now. But there's a catch. Despite the huge opportunity, many new creators, they make a critical mistake that blocks their growth and also their success in the kids' songs or nursery rhyme space on YouTube. And listen, I'll be the first one to admit that I've also been guilty of this particular mistake myself with my faceless channel here, My Tiny Tales TV. That said, now that I've discovered this secret strategy that I'm about to share with you, it's time to not just shift gears, but also to start posting a lot more consistently, because now it's so much easier to create content. Now let's talk about the big mistake, and I'll also share the secret strategy. Most creators jump straight into classic nursery rhymes. Nursery rhymes like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, or the ABC song. And when they do that, they're trying to compete with billion-dollar giants out there like CoComelon. The problem, you may ask? The space is oversaturated. Your videos will likely drown in a sea of massive competition. The smarter move, however, is to focus on educational sub-niches, which are songs and rhymes that parents actually search for, and of course, that kids also love. And by doing this, you actually have less competition. And the thing is, these sub-niches, they're actually easier to rank and are in higher demand than most people realize. And that's what makes it wide open for new creators. So instead of chasing what 95% of creators are doing, we lean into educational, value-driven songs. Examples of this include some that I'm showing you here on screen, and you can go ahead and do a screen capture of this so that you can reference it later when you're ready to start creating. You see where this is going? It's teaching kids, but it's providing entertainment as well. These topics are actually very high in demand, but low in competition. That said, with this strategy, let me show you how to create these type of videos, and we're gonna do it in minutes. And I'm gonna grab my computer here so that we can work on this together. And we're gonna use the latest version of InVideo AI, which is version 4. Now to try InVideo AI version 4, I've placed a link at the top of the fold in the description. And if you don't see it right away, just scroll down below the title of this video, click on more, and you'll see the link right there. Now let's jump in and create full song videos step by step. And step 1 is right here on the InVideo AI homepage, as I'm showing you on screen. You're gonna go ahead and click Create AI Video, and you're gonna make sure, as I'm showing you here, version 4 is what's selected. In the text box, you're gonna enter a simple prompt like this one that I'm entering here. Create a catchy nursery rhyme about the benefits of fruits in cartoon style. Yes, it's as simple as that. Let's go ahead and click Generate Video. And let's move to step 2. Within seconds, as you can see here, we'll be prompted. And we're gonna choose things like our video duration, as I'm doing here. We're also gonna select the platform that we are creating content for, which is YouTube Kids. And we're also gonna pick the media type. And here, we're gonna choose Ultra, as I'm doing here on screen, which actually leverages Google Veo 3 and Google's recently released Nano Banana. But amazingly, it's doing all of that right here inside of InVideo AI. Now, if you're wondering why I selected Ultra, it actually delivers the highest resolution. It also ensures that your video meets monetization standards, and it gives it a polished professional look, as you'll soon see. Once we've selected our options, we're gonna click Generate. And for YouTube, I'm gonna recommend that for your songs or your nursery rhymes, you keep them in the region of about 2 minutes. Because as we know, kids' attention span is not that great. And rock stars, this is what our video looks like.
Quack, quack. Welcome to our fruity song. Apples are crunchy, red and sweet. A super healthy, yummy treat. They help you run and jump and play. Eat an apple every day. Oh, fruits, fruits, all rainbow bright. Full of goodness day and night. From your head down to your shoes. Eating fruit is happy news. Bananas give you energy to climb a mountain or a tree. With potassium you'll feel so strong, singing a happy, healthy song. Oh, fruits, fruits, all rainbow bright. Full of goodness day and night. From your head down to your shoes. Eating fruit is happy news. Oranges with vitamin C keep you healthy, you and me. They help you fight the sniffles away, so you can go outside and play. Fruits, 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 hooray for fruits.
And with that video, my mind was officially blown. Now, can you believe that we created that video from just one simple prompt using a single tool, which is InVideo AI. And we did it in a matter of minutes. You see what I meant when I said this is incredible? InVideo AI does everything for you. Listen, rockstars, it was only last week that I was personally juggling with 5 different tools to do what I just showed you with one tool and one prompt. I was using one tool for writing lyrics, another one to turn the lyrics into songs, another one for the visuals, and another one to get the captions. And then I would have to find another tool to piece everything together to create my video that would be ready for publishing. This is exactly why I'm so excited, because now InVideo AI replaces all 5 tools and delivers a polished nursery rhyme within a matter of minutes. Now, if you think that that's amazing, I want you to let me know in the comments by simply writing wow. What I found most amazing was that there was consistency when it comes to the quality of songs, no matter what prompt I entered and no matter how many times I did it. I just think that's incredible. Now, the videos that I created, they were, I'd say, 99% publish ready. Honestly, we could go ahead and upload them to YouTube as they are. But let's say you want to make a few changes. You can click here to edit your script and rewrite lyrics based on your preferences, or you can adjust some of the lines, or you can click edit media here to swap out some of the visuals if you're not so fond of them. What this does is it gives you full control without needing any professional editing skills. Now, once you're happy with your video, we're simply gonna download and export it as I'm showing you how to do here on screen. Now, to create nursery rhymes and kids song videos using InVideo AI, you'll need to subscribe to the InVideo AI generative plan, which starts at $100 a month. That's actually the plan that I use, and it's actually gonna provide more than enough credits to create multiple videos and to execute this strategy that I'm sharing. And yes, I know that $100 per month is an investment, but compared to the 5 different tools that I used to use before and the time wasted switching between them, this is a no-brainer if you're serious about monetizing kids content on a platform like YouTube. And speaking of monetization, let's talk about how you can actually make money with these videos once you have created them using InVideo AI. You're obviously gonna need a YouTube channel. And in this video here, which I'll actually link in the description below, I show you step by step how to create a YouTube channel, how to post on it, how to create thumbnails, and how to launch successfully. Now let's talk monetization. To join the YouTube Partner Program, we're gonna need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and you're gonna need to have those watch hours in a 12-month period. Now, once you get accepted, you'll earn ad revenue from your videos as YouTube places ads on them automatically. But that's not all. Kids content can also be monetized through several other methods. The first one is you can actually license your kids' videos to educational platforms. You can also earn through sponsorships and partnerships. And you can also sell digital products for parents and teachers that's related to your channel. The key here is to be consistent and post anywhere from 2 to 3 videos per week. Remember, these videos are short. And in doing so, build a library which is actually gonna build your reach. You're likely not gonna get to mind-blowing money in the short term, rock stars. But as someone who has more than one channel monetized in a relatively short time on YouTube, I can tell you that it's definitely possible. So rock stars, here's the bottom line. With the right topics and the right tool, you can create faceless, publish-ready kids songs or nursery rhymes and post them on YouTube in just a few clicks. The ideal tool to use is InVideo AI. And again, there's a link in the description that you can use to get started. That said, if you got value out of this video, I would really appreciate you telling me in the comments below. And until next time, walk good.